This is where you'll find Dr. Steve Hahn most at home, at his dental office. He's one of the most highly trained dentists in the Southeast and loves every facet of his work here at the Georgia Dental Implant Center.
I get my 100% satisfaction from my job for patients being happy with their smiles.
Dr. Hahn is living his dream, running this upscale practice in Midtown Atlanta and another office in Acworth. His dental offices have all the services implant patients need, including CT scans and full head x-rays.
In our office, what we're trying to do is control everything here so that when we set up the treatment plan, we can follow up on our treatment plan. In one move, I can go ahead and check the chart, what my partner did the treatment on this patient, then I can follow up on the patient into right path.
Before Dr. Hahn ever opened his offices in Georgia, he was among the most highly trained and educated specialists in the field of dental implants. Dr. Hahn graduated from Boston University Dental School and then went on to a one-year fellowship at Columbia University. Next, he studied prosthodontics for 3 years at Columbia University. He then completed a 2-year fellowship in implants at New York University. Dr. Hahn also taught at Columbia University, where he stayed abreast of all the latest technology.
Most dentists, after 4 years and 1 year of GPR, they open up their practice. My case, 10 years of a postgraduate training and dental school.
Dr. Hahn's wife has been with him during all that training and teaching. They married in 2003 and had a son in 2007 while living in New York City. Watching his son grow up in the city is what prompted him to move.
He's the one that made me to decide to leave education and move on to the private practice. I thought this was a perfect place for my kid to grow and also for the private practice for myself too. And because of my son, I want him to grow up in this nice nature environment.
As a prosthodontist as well as an implantologist, Dr. Hahn is uniquely qualified among Georgia dentists to handle even the most complicated implant cases.
If a case is simple, then general dentists can do them. But if a case is broad, complex, then it should be handled by specialists.
Dr. Hahn realizes that despite the intense training that prosthodontists get, few people are familiar with the specialty, which focuses on using crowns, implants, and bridges to restore function. He explains that's the basic difference between a prosthodontist and a cosmetic dentist.
Cosmetic is a part of our specialty. Now, for the general dentists, they go out and do a continuing education to get extra training on cosmetics. For prosthodontists, it's a 3-year postgraduate program after dental school.
Dr. Hahn hasn't stopped his quest for knowledge and training. He loves dentistry and stays on top of trends, technology, and training.
It's kind of funny. My wife thinks that I never leave dentistry. When I go and make a trip to Korea to see my parents, I bring my dental journals, articles, and even when I visit there, I check their dental companies and see what's out there.
It's a labor of love for Dr. Hahn, helping people look and feel better every day.
That's why I became a dentist. Medical doctor try to save lives. We try to save the function, meaning be able to chew and so they can enjoy their food. When they come in there in pain, their face is kind of crunched down. But after we're done with the treatment, their smile relieved from the pain, that's the satisfaction.